Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You have two quick prerequisites: an updated Instagram app and the media you want to react to. First, open Stories or Reels and load your photo or video. Once loaded, tap the sticker icon at the top, then pick the Reaction or React sticker option. You're starting the interactive layer that viewers will use. Make sure to position the sticker early so you can see how it overlays your content. This sets up the rest of the workflow cleanly. Now customize the sticker. Tap it to switch styles, colors, or animation modes so it matches your tone. Drag and drop to the desired spot, then use pinch gestures to resize and two-finger rotate for angle. Once placed, add supporting elements like text, a GIF, or a mention tag to provide context. This helps viewers understand why you reacted. Make sure to preview full screen so nothing important gets cropped when posted. Small adjustments. Finish by previewing your story or reel and confirming timing, sound, and crop. Once done, choose your audience, story, close friends, or feed and post. If you need to remove or edit, tap the sticker and adjust or delete, then repost. Troubleshooting tip: if the React sticker isn't available or won't show, force close and reopen Instagram, or clear the app cache and reupload the media. If that fails, update the app or log out and back in to refresh sticker feed.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.